Okay students, today we will discuss trigonometric identities. So let us now consider one right angle triangle. In which angle B is 90 degree. And let us now consider one acute angle which is angle C. So let angle C is theta. We will define trigonometric ratios for this angle C, which is our acute angle. All of you know we can define our trigonometric ratios for only acute angles. So our angle C is our acute angle, and for that we will define our trigonometric ratios. So for trigonometric identities, let's take a brief revision of trigonometric ratios. So first is sin theta. Sin theta is defined as opposite side by hypotenuse. Cos theta is defined as adjacent side by hypotenuse, and tan theta is defined as opposite side by adjacent side. Done. These are the main three trigonometric ratios. Remaining three are cosec theta, which is reciprocal of sin theta, and which is defined as AC by AB. You have to take the reciprocal of this AB by AC. Next one is sec theta, which is reciprocal of cos theta, which is defined as reciprocal of this AC by BC. Another one is cot theta, which is reciprocal of tan theta, and that is defined as reciprocal of this AB by BC, which is BC by AB. Then these are the three main trigonometric ratios and the three remaining ratios which are obtained from this given trigonometric ratios. Now we have to discuss trigonometric identities. Done. So again start with this right angle triangle. So in this right angle triangle, ABC, angle B is 90 degree, and here we can apply Pythagoras theorem. So by Pythagoras theorem, so Pythagoras theorem says this: the square of hypotenuse AC square is equal to sum of square of is remaining two sides. So it's a AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. Done. Now what we are doing, we are dividing this Pythagoras theorem on both sides by AC squared. Divide on both sides by AC square. So if we divide this equation on both sides by AC square, we are getting AC square by AC square equal to AB square by AC square plus BC square by AC square. Now simplify it. AC square by AC square is 1. AB by AC whole square. Similarly, this BC square by AC square is written as BC by AC whole square. Now student, what is AB by AC? AB by AC is our sin theta. BC by AC is our cos theta. So this is nothing but the sin square theta plus cos square theta. So here we are getting our first identity, which is sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Done. Trigonometric identities, in which first identity is sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. This is our Pythagoras theorem. Now, for remaining two identities, again we are considering our Pythagoras theorem and dividing this equation on both sides by AB square. Done. Now dividing on both sides by AB square. So it's a AC square by AB square equal to AB square by AB square plus BC square by AB square. Simple. So AC by AB whole square is there equal to AB square by AB square. Like terms it will be cut, so it's a 1. This one is BC by AB whole square. Now student, put the value of AC by AB and BC by AB from this. So what is our AC by AB, which is cosec square theta. So it's a cosec square theta equal to 1 plus BC by AB. BC by AB is our cot theta. So it's a cot square theta. So students, here we are getting our second trigonometric identity, 1 plus cot square theta equal to cosec square theta. Very simple. This is first identity, this is second identity. Now we can also get our third identity. First we have divided this equation by AC square. Secondly we have divided this equation by AB square. Now we are having third option, we can divide this equation on both sides by BC square. Now dividing on both sides by BC square. So we are getting AC square by BC square plus equal to AB square by BC square plus BC square by BC square. Same procedure. This is AC by BC whole square. This is equal to AB by BC whole square plus 1. Now what is AC by BC? AC by BC is sec square theta. It's a sec square theta equal to AB by BC. AB by BC is tan square theta. It's a tan square theta plus 1. So here we are getting our third trigonometric identity, which is 1 plus tan square theta equal to sec square theta. Done. This is how you can get all three trigonometric identities.